Hey, good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, so let's have a look on dollar yen. Dollar yen is also one of the 8 that have a special label, but it's just a bit different from the rest of it. And I'm labeling this because there's opportunity of getting engaged. All right, and this can be a very, very exciting combo as well. Combo or upsize. Let's have a look. All right, so on the daily chart. Oh well, what we can see over here to most traders is an uptrend movement, and that's something I can't deny. But one thing I want to point out to you is that you can see that the bearish movement is come a bit stronger in most cases than the bullish movement, other than this candle over here. Overall, the bear is quite strong. Okay, the bull take very long to reach a high price. Just saying that observation you should really know. 4-hour chart over here, on the 4-hour chart, very, very nice uptrend movement. Probably we can even draw a channel. I'll show you live how this is done, and you have to do it correctly. Which side should you take to draw the pivot or the gradient, whichever term you want to use it. And 1-hour chart, this is what we have: strong bearish movement. Later I'm going to share with you something really interesting, all right, and that will change your view on how you see the chart. Okay, you can always scan this QR code over here, and that will bring you to our discussion group where you can chat with us over here. You can share your trading ideas, and you can ask questions relating to whatever we share on the trading ideas over here. Unless you're students, then you may ask what we are showing as well. Okay, and we will go through, and it should be recorded in the courses already. So over here there's a free course. You can have a look on how we teach. If you love our style and you want to learn more, drop me a note. We'll see if you're the right fit to be our students. All right, so apart from that, what you can expect over here is a course that teaches you how to place a stop loss correctly. The formula that I've been testing for more than 5 years, and I've been using that for 8 years already. And if you know, I've been trading looking at charts, trading for 17 years. Scroll down further, you can see over here we have dollar yen trade already in play, and you know, spoiler alert, bearish butterfly pattern H4 chart hit first target 69 pips. Right now we are 100 over pips point. It happened while I am sleeping. All right, I don't stay up and look at the chart until 6 a.m. Singapore time. That's crazy. I don't do that. All right, so what I just do is to shift stops entry, that's it, and just let it run. Okay, scroll down further. Pound Australia also have a big win. In fact, target 163 pips. Well, a lot of times when people heard of those kind of targets, they will say, oh, your risk is huge. Well, have a look over here. Stop loss 65 pips and reward is to risk 2.5:1, meaning to say that if I risk $1, I earn $2.50. Is this a huge risk? Well, I can't say it for myself. You have to put that judgment on your end. All right, so back to our daily chart. Let me share with you something that is interesting. Daily chart on the market close, dollar yen. What we see over here, bearish candle, isn't it? Look at euro dollar. Doesn't it look similar? People will say, oh, dollar is going down, euro is going up, for sure. Or dollar yen is going down. If you see euro is going down, it has to be euro yen. Have a look, euro dollar over here. Okay, so I can't stress anymore the correlation of currency is just getting weaker and weaker. It's just like, I love to use the World Cup as an analogy. You know, you have the champion team, let's call it champion team A, you know, for the sake of it, easier for us to compare, and the top 10 losing team. Let's say we take the worst of the team. This is a bit exaggerating, but I just want to drive the point. We call them B. All right, so if A has been winning and ultimately have crowned champion, that doesn't mean that if I put A and B to play soccer together, or football, depends what country you are in, A is going to win, because A might not have met B throughout the match, throughout the league, throughout the tournament, throughout the World Cup. Correct? So likewise in currency. Correct? So you just can't say that dollar yen is going down, definitely euro dollar is going up, because these are two of the inverse correlated pair that people love to see that way. Anyway, my point has been driven. I hope you get it. This is how we teach, relate things in our daily life as far as possible, or at least things that we heard of or we can access to, and those fun stuff. All right, so dollar yen. Over here we have a bearish deep Gartley pattern at X, my favorite setup, 116.42, overall uptrend, counter trend trade, huge setup. All right, so if you engage it, congratulations. Some of you might have engaged on the lower time frame, which is a 4-hour chart, butterfly pattern. Already hit the first target, all right, almost hit the second target and rebound. Something is quite sad, definitely, but it does give some of the traders an opportunity to engage the trade. Okay, and this is what we have on the 1-hour chart, straight down over here. Okay, you can wait for, if you are students of ours, you can wait for maybe a bat pattern. I want to make a joke out of it, and it came out faster in a way. So, well, we can even have a bat pattern, a Gartley pattern, or sometimes we call this a Bradley pattern, correct? Bat or Gartley, correct? So, yeah, you can wait it up on Monday, Tuesday, or even Wednesday to form up. So you can give you a trading opportunity, provided this is still the low. Then you can wait for the setup to happen somewhere around this consolidation zone. All right, and it really depends whether you are able to read the chart right to stretch the targets. That's the important part and the fun part, that right now we call them the upsides. Then you say they're engaged over here, you take conservative target on target 1, target 2, stretch it to your butterfly pattern. All right, so your risk is minimum, your target is big, it's huge, so you have more than 2 is the 1 reward is the risk in most time. All right, so but you have to do it correctly. All right, that's trade management. So that's pretty much I have for you over here. And of course, if you are thinking to get into the training lesson, and myself, I've been attending courses, I've been teaching for many years, 2018 to now. That will put me to 14 years of coaching. And when I'm learning some of the course of my interest outside of the trading arena, I'm learning after other stuff. One thing that really put me off is to see that there is one course after the other, and I still don't get what I want, correct? So over here we don't do that. This is not dining, so we just have one course that get you to the desired outcome you want to be, to trade at the comfort of home, or you are looking to become a professional in this industry. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon in our community. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade a plan. Take care.